Welcome back to my channel, guys. I am going to be doing a quick get ready with me makeup look for a date night. So if you guys are interested in watching, stay tuned. Thanks. I'm mixing two foundations, the Too Faced Peach Perfect and Fenty Beauty foundations. I'm buffing that into my skin. I'm using the NYX HD Studio Photogenic concealer and buffing that in as well. I'm then using MAC's Medium Plus Mineralized Skin Finish and Natural Too Faced Chocolate Soleil as my bronzer. MAC Peaches on my cheeks. I'm then putting some concealer on my eyes as a base for my eyeshadow. I'm using Urban Decay's Naked palette, the original palette. I like to stick to browns and neutrals and golds on my eyes, so that's what you see me applying here. I'm then adding in this really pretty gold color on my lid, adding the L'Oreal's Telescopic Mascara, Velvet Teddy on my lips, and a lip glaze by Laura Mercier. Then I'm applying some Pavoy earrings, and there you have it. If you guys like this video, please comment, like, subscribe, and hit that notification bell. Thank you. Bye.